Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding your AirPods with your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you can't find your AirPods, you can use your iPhone to find them using the Find My app. You can find the case and each individual AirPod separately if they are not lost together. Open the Find My app and in the Devices tab, tap on your AirPods. Here you can see that the case, left bud and right bud are separate, so they can be found separately. Tap on the one that you would like to find. Then tap Play Sound to play a sound on the item. You can also tap Find to be given directions to get to your AirPod or case. As you move, it will tell you when you are within reach of your AirPod. You can also play the sound from here to better locate it. With the case, if you tap Find, it will tell you how many meters away you are and which direction to go to locate the case. Again, you can play the sound here to help you to find the case. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more AirPod tips and tricks.